Times are complicated. Just 12 months ago, my family was shifting to this new work from home, learn from home environment. My wife and I are still home most days, but now I'm going into work a few days a week. And learning is done partially at home and partially at school. So all these changes are really affecting the entire family. Like most of us these days, I'm finding myself interacting with the environment and basically the whole world a lot differently than I ever have been before. I'm working from home, working in an office, and in certain instances, I'm traveling back and forth even in the same day. When I'm sitting at a coffee shop, say, and using a public network, I want to make sure I'm extra protected while surfing the internet. This is where Microsoft Edge really comes in handy. It has built-in security to protect me and my files. And I'm telling you, the peace of mind that comes from knowing that I'm being protected automatically is seriously priceless. Outside of Edge, I use a ton of different apps. With so much going on at once, it's kind of hard to keep track of everything that's open. So I use virtual desktops to keep everything organized. Look, I keep all my work applications in one desktop here, and all my other apps in this other desktop. I mean, look at this. I'm downright organized. By working this way, I get more done, and I'm not pulling out my very limited hair from stress. In this hybrid working environment, I can't have my data tied to just one single device. Losing one of my files means starting all over, and as we all know, that means not meeting deadlines. Fortunately, OneDrive can back up whichever folders I choose to the cloud, so the data that matters to me goes wherever I go. That means forgetting or even losing a laptop is no longer the end of the world. And for documents that are more sensitive, like Social Security, tax returns, and birth certificates, I use OneDrive Personal Vault. With its two-step verification, I know that my documents are kept extra secure. With 3 kids, we always have something going on, whether it's soccer practice or doctor's appointments. I have to keep my work life in sync with my family's calendar so I never miss anything important. Having one application that can handle both calendars helps me be more organized and productive. When I'm on the road, everything I need from Outlook is just one tap away using the Outlook mobile app. This way, I can stay in my workflow whether I'm working from the home office or from soccer practice. The kids are now using Office apps on their devices to get their schoolwork done. I'm seriously impressed by how the Office apps adapt to whoever's using them. Oscar is in 2nd grade and just getting started with writing assignments. How awesome is it that Word helps him polish up his essays and learn a little grammar along the way? Sagan is a 4th grader and is starting to share presentations virtually with her class. Okay, not gonna lie, she always gets high praise because her slides rock. They even have video in them, and she spends more time on the actual content than worrying about things like formatting. My entire team is now in this hybrid working environment, which makes it difficult to always know who's available and who's not. But deadlines aren't affected by a changing work environment. So whether it's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, we can come together and bring our ideas to the document we're working on in real time, no matter where we all are. Instead of emailing a document back and forth with the changes everyone's making, it's so much easier for everyone to just work on the document at the same time or whenever they're available. As any parent will tell you, creating safe digital habits early on in a child's life is a major priority. And since I'm sometimes at work, sometimes at home, I'm relying more and more on smart technology to help me be a better parent and to build these habits. My wife and I use Microsoft Family Safety, either from our phones or from the web, because we're concerned about screen time, the kinds of websites our kids visit, the kinds of games they play. Plus, we get extra benefits with Microsoft 365, like location tracking, which really gives us that added peace of mind. And it's not just digital habits, it's actually really comforting to know that when my kids are old enough to drive, I can use Family Safety to help them develop safe driving habits too. Knowing that there are intelligent barriers in place is the ultimate in peace of mind. It really is stunning to use a single service to not only help with data storage and productivity, but also to help keep my family safe.